Baps, 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 Baps. The enormous bread rolls, big as your palm, that are the perfect vehicle for a bacon butty or a really big burger. There's nothing fancy about Baps. Start with strong bread flour and a little corn flour. Yeast, fresh or instant, and water at room temperature. Mix it well by hand or with a little help from machinery. That's our sponge or the starter dough, and the detailed recipe is on my website. Check out down below. Cover the bowl and leave it to proof in a warm place for an hour. Now for the main dough. More bread flour, and a little corn flour again. Sugar. You might think it's a lot, but trust me. And salt. Now the liquid, which is warm milk and melted butter. And off we go again. It will take a good 10 minutes as the dough is going to be really sticky for a really long time. Once it bounces off the sides of the bowl, it's ready to go. After a short rest, of course. Now for the fun part. Turn the dough out onto your floured surface and cut it with dough scrapers into 9 roughly even pieces. Touching bread dough is so pleasant. It feels warm and smooth and springy, almost like it was alive. It's quite a sensuous experience. This is how you shape them into smooth balls. Flatten, roll up one way, and then roll up the other way. Then cup it in your palm to smooth, stretch and shape into a nice ball. Dip in the flour and hop on the tray. Do the same with all the other 8 pieces, and when they are all ready, cover the tray and let them rise for about 40 minutes to an hour. They have risen only a little here, but I'm hoping they will spring in the oven. They will bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Whoa! Aren't they gorgeous?